Alright, so my plan is to make a shelf out of some crates. Basically what I've done here, this is... Alright, there's a lot of stuff in the way, but this I will show you later. These are 2 crates that I've like screwed together. Screwed together? That sounds so weird. But yeah. Alright, so my plan for tonight is to make a shelf for more of my books. I have a shelf over here, but I want another shelf. I also have some books over there, but I kind of want to move them in a shelf that I'm gonna put next to the sofa, like over here. So I'm gonna move the Good Vibes sign and I'm gonna move this over to the other side. And this is actually, I'll move the cat's bed. This is literally what I am using as a shelf at the moment. It's hidden though, and I want it to be more visible. But here I have comics and books, both TBR and things that I've already read. And it's basically like a table next to my couch at the moment. So my plan is to make another one, just a taller version, and put it back there. I look a little crazy right now, but it's important to be comfortable while you're building, right? So I had to get my fringe out of the way, ponytail, and now I'm ready. I bought this tiny drill from IKEA, and it's so genius. It has a USB-C charger, so I can just use my phone charger, and it works great. I'm very happy. One crate has been made, only 4 to go. Cat is also supporting right now, testing, making sure everything's good, you know. Alright, so this is what we got so far. The 2 bottom ones are the ones that I already had. I just thought that I would put those at the bottom so you can't see them because the color difference. It's probably because I've had this for a while and these ones are brand new. I'm guessing that's why there's such a difference in color. But yeah, it's not the prettiest shelf, obviously, but it does the job, and the thing is, it fits perfectly in the space. And that's kind of what I need. So I'm just gonna connect all of these together and we'll see how it goes. Also, yes, I know I have a lot of Pops and Bueno and stuff in the corner, but we were in Sweden and candy is cheaper in Sweden than in Norway, so we did some hoarding. Alright, so this is what it looks like. Obviously the 2 lower ones are literally, they're kind of not usable. Well, they are, but it would be a lot of work to use them. But now I have basically 3 shelves, and then I'm gonna make 2 more here and then put the tabletop on it as like a side table. And I think that's really nice. One thing that I realized though is that I probably have to move this picture a little bit because it's like very close and it doesn't look good. I'm actually surprised by how many books I could fit in there. Obviously, I'm not quite sure about which one's going where, but I'm very conflicted whether or not I should color coordinate them. But I also really want to coordinate them based on size. Like, this to me is kind of unsatisfying. This is very satisfying. This is also very unsatisfying, so I don't know, man. I don't know. We'll see eventually, I guess.
Don't know when that's gonna happen. So, but I'm so excited because tomorrow we're actually going in a